This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.